Day by day, the summer is increasing in Pune. Right now, the temperature of Pune is 38 degrees Celsius, which is very hot. And yesterday, we have seen even Girish Mahajan has stated that come out of your home only if it is necessary. As we have seen today, Pune feels as hot as very hot as we have seen. Just if you look behind me, this is the same road that is usually full of traffic, but today at 2 p.m. it is almost empty like a curfew. People in Pune are facing very strong heat. For the past 1 week, the sun has been very harsh, and today the temperature has crossed 37 degrees Celsius. Because of this, daily life is getting very disturbed. If we look at today's temperature, the situation is worrying because in Loegaon has recorded 41 degrees Celsius, while Shivaji Nagar at 40.3 degrees Celsius. Not just the main city, even the nearby areas are very hot like Chinchwad, Vadgaon, Sheri and Balewadi. Balewadi has been crossed around 39.2 degrees Celsius. The weather department says that these heat will continue for next 2 days. Yesterday there was some cloudness, but instead of giving relief, it increased the humidity and people felt more sweaty and uncomfortable. This is the 5th day in a row that Pune is facing such an extreme heat. This heat is also affecting people's health. In last 15 days, about 120 heat stroke cases have been reported. Hospitals are seeing many patients with problems like dizziness, vomiting, loose motions and headache. Children and old people are facing more problems. Doctors are even advising people with simple advice like do not go between 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. as the heat is massive and intense. Drink plenty of water, lemon water, buttermilk, coconut water. Wear light clothes like to cover the head even when we go out. In short, Pune famous is for cool weather. Is very hot. Roads are empty. People are looking for shade, and this is no quick relief from this heat. So, as we have seen in the heavy traffic roads, also now the Pune is witnessing such an empty roads like a curfew, because day by day the temperature in Pune is quite increasing. Even we have seen sometimes the temperature goes out of goes up to 41 degrees Celsius, then up to 37 degrees Celsius, as we have seen today. Not just in the main city, even in nearby areas like Chinchwad, it was around 39.8 degrees Celsius. In Vadgaon Sheri, it was 39.5 degrees Celsius, and in Balewadi, it was around 39.2 degrees Celsius. Day by day, as we have seen, the heat temperatures are increasing and people are advised to stay at home between the timing of 12 to 4 p.m. because that is a massive heat during that time. And we have even seen that doctors are advising for the people to stay at home and drink lots of plenty of water, be hydrated. As we have seen in last 15 days, it was a good number of heat stroke cases that has been seen. Now people are advised to follow instruction like simple advices: be hydrated, use scarf, caps, just to protect yourself. I am Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror.